Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. We are going to do a desk makeover and I just got a new standing desk. I never personally owned a standing desk. I've only used it at work and I love it because as a student and as a corporate worker, you are always at your desk for long periods at a time and you don't realize how much it feels good to be standing up and getting that blood circulating. So I'm so excited that this video is sponsored by flexispot. They were kind enough to send me a standing desk, especially in New York City. Things get really cramped here. So being able to utilize the most space and optimize on space is really important. So I'm so happy that I now have a standing desk. So let's get started.
Here's the before of my desk space, very standard. What I didn't like about it was that my chair barely fit under the desk, so that it was really damaging to the leather on the chair arms. But with my new standing desk, the adjustable table legs, it will definitely help this problem. So let's unbox and build my new desk. I want to thank flexispot for sponsoring this video. flexispot offers premium standing desks at a very affordable price point. Okay, so these are all the pieces. This is my first time ever building a desk, so hopefully it turns out well. Instructions. I got the E7 Pro Plus standing desk in 48 by 24, which is the perfect size for me because it gives me a lot of surface area to do work, but also fits into my New York City apartment. I love how these are all the nails are all nicely labeled. Chef's kiss. FlexiSpot also offers many other options like the E5 and the comb heart to fit your personal budget. What's so great is that you can also personally customize your desk from the color, the size, and even the type of desktop material to fit within your own workspace. So please go check them out at the link below, and you can even use the code YTB30 to get $30 off your purchase. Step 1 complete. Okay, so step 2 is to install lifting column 2. Building this bottom, the base, was so easy. It literally took like 10 minutes. Now I just need to attach the actual desk, the wood part to it, but my room is too small, so I gotta move this first. Clear the way out. Okay, so now that the desk is out of the way, we can finally put the wood part on to the desk, shall we? Oh my gosh, I love that the edges are rounded. It gives that like soft look, and I'm a soft girl, so it's my aesthetic.
plugged it in, and now we're gonna test if it works. Oh! Oh! It works! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm so happy! Look at her! So now that everything is set up, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the fun part, which is doing the whole makeover. So in the current situation is that it fits perfectly within the windowsill, but then now there's like this slight little gap that's kind of awkward. So I'm probably gonna move my lamp over here and then just reorganize it. My friend also got me this like fun McDonald's set of BT21, so I thought I would just like use it to like, you know, decorate the bottom of it so it looks like cute and colorful to fit the rest of my like room aesthetic. Oh my gosh. Wait, do they move? Oh yeah, they kind of move. Their head bobbles. Or does it all like connect together? Right? I think they do connect. They connect! Oh my god. How fun is that? I can take something. Thank you flexispot again for sponsoring this video and for the desk upgrade. If you're on the market for a new desk, be sure to check out flexispot. The desks are all expertly crafted for sturdiness, aesthetics, and even sustainability. I even love how customizable the desk legs are, so it can fit your workspace perfectly. Which one is who? This one's your favorite. Jungkook. This one's
Doesn't look like him.
It doesn't look like him. And this one's your second favorite. Because they all have like characters.
Where? Oh, like in general?
Yeah. Look,
oh,
BT.
I see.
SBT21. They all have their own like characters.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. Isn't it so nice? It's so nice. Yeah, play with it. Try it. I don't...
Was this a temperature? Or...
No. Yeah, bring it down.
This is much nicer than the one that I have now. Oh.
That's okay, that's okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's so nice. But like, I think it's just kind of odd that like when you bring it down... Oh, the table looks so big because, or is it just me?
It's nice.
It just looks really big because it also extends back there.
But it's better. Bigger
Yeah,
is
it
better.
is. Yeah, bigger is better. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it.